Have you ever pondered the rationale behind certain seemingly peculiar habits that enhance a man's perceived value? You're not alone. Habits function like intricate threads woven into the fabric of our daily lives, shaping our routines and, consequently, our personalities. In the context of men, these habits often serve as a reflection of their character and values. Surprisingly, some seemingly eccentric habits can significantly elevate a man's perceived value. The notion of value here isn't tied to monetary worth or physical attractiveness. Rather, it revolves around qualities like character integrity and the respect one commands. Habits transcend mere actions. They act as mirrors reflecting our internal values to the external world. A man with commendable habits is generally viewed as disciplined, reliable, and mature. Consider the example of a man who habitually wakes up early, spends quiet time alone, or consistently engages in reading. While these habits may initially appear basic, they speak volumes about his discipline, the pursuit of self-improvement, and his introspective nature. The exploration of intriguing habits that enhance a man's perceived value is a journey into understanding that a man's worth is not solely defined by possessions or physical appearance. Rather, it is shaped by his actions and habits. Let's delve into a few examples. Number 1. Early riser. Habit number 1. The seemingly simple routine of waking up early is a powerful practice. It provides a head start to the day, allowing precious quiet hours for self-reflection, planning, and setting a positive tone. Being an early riser is associated with discipline, self-control, and a proactive approach to life. Number 2. Solitude seeker. Habit number 2. Spending time alone may seem counterintuitive in our social world, but a man who values solitude is not antisocial. Rather, he appreciates the tranquility it offers for introspection. This habit fosters self-awareness, independence, and a comfortable self-confidence. Number 3. Avid reader. Habit number 3. Constant reading is more than a mundane activity. It opens doors to infinite knowledge and experiences. Reading enhances communication skills, enriches the mind, and fosters empathy by exposing oneself to diverse perspectives. A man who reads is not just entertaining himself, he is growing, evolving, and becoming a well-rounded individual. Number 4. Fitness enthusiast. Habit number 4. Regular exercise goes beyond sculpting the body. It serves as a tool for self-improvement and personal growth. It reflects discipline, commitment, and the ability to push past limits. Exercise is a potent stress reliever, instilling confidence and resilience, translating into other areas of life. These habits collectively contribute to a man's value, showcasing qualities such as discipline, self-awareness, continuous learning, and resilience. In a world of constant change, these habits stand as valuable assets, making a man more than the sum of his parts. Consider adopting a habit that resonates with your values, as it's often these unexpected habits that truly make a man valuable.